Watch out take these legs to these crispy, juicy, mouth-watering, saucy, unbelievable chicken legs. Coming up.
What's up, folks? This is Derek. I'm back in the cooler again for another great episode, and I'm taking you another journey with some chicken, but I'm taking you with the legs, not the leg quarters, not the wing, not the breast, not the thighs, just the legs. Ain't nothing like a big old fat juicy leg. You know, first thing we do in the cooler is wash our chicken. I've already done that for you, so you don't have to wait to see that mess. So let's get started on seasoning this chicken this Monday evening. So if some of you guys don't know what this red dish is, a lot of people use this for crawfish. But not only is it great for crawfish, it's great for seasoning meat or eating on it, because sometimes you eat crawfish on it. So today, I'm gonna put a little meat church, honey, hog, barbecue, some old clucker dust. You know you gotta be careful with that clucker dust because it'll make you cough, get in your nose, and then I'm gonna hit it with a little bit of that black pepper. So and also you can see my legs are organized. This is exactly how I'm gonna cook them in each other's groove, just like that. So let's get this meat church on here, give it a little sweet. Oh, gotta watch that clucker dust. Clucker dust, give it a little more salt and a little heat. And of course, you can't have nothing without that. Damn, I thought I beat the clucker dust, but it still got me. And then you gotta have black pepper. Meat church, honey. And we are cooking this on direct heat charcoal, not smoking it, straight direct heat charcoal. Show you guys how to do that. I already got the coals fired up too, so you ain't got to sit through that long video because I've already showed you several times how to fire them charcoals. Little clucker dust. And then, gotta have black pepper, folks. Woo-wee! Man, clucker dust got me again. That's some good seasoning, folks. That chicken is seasoned everywhere. I should have got some of that yellow off at the back of his leg, which I will, but that chicken is seasoned. I really like this new design with the kettle. We don't have to take it all the way off. It just slides to the back like that. Right now, my grill is extremely hot, so I'm gonna have to keep coming out here monitoring it. But, I'll show you how to put this chicken on. Oh, shit. Y'all hear that? And it's about to storm again in Houston. I'm not sure how much water we can take. If you saw my last short, cleanliness and organization. Oh, extra smoke. Storm don't start no barbecue. First flip in the storm. One flip already. Give it a couple of squirts, a little juice. Pull my grill a little bit back under the shelter a little bit, because here comes the rain. In the middle of the barbecue, Mother Nature says, hello, storm, but the pit has been moved and it's still going. Folks, it's still pouring rain, but guess what? We still cooking chicken, baby. Woo! Look at them legs. They're getting close. Ooh, juicy, juicy. Pit, grill, still organized. Chicken, still able to flip. Grill, still looks great. Throw some sausage on here right quick. This don't have nothing to do with the chicken cook, but I always add some of these for a little snack tomorrow. I put these where the red coals are at, so it don't take them very long. Take a quick temp, see where we're at. Still storming. Oh yeah, that's right there to the bone. That says 172, 170, 180. $173. $180. $180. $180. $180. Couple more minutes. It's really done, but I like to give it a couple more minutes once I hit temperature. You could pull it right now. It's done. You just want to give it a couple more minutes. Pull it all with the sausage. Whoa, you know the sauce is good when it busts open like that. Sausage busts open? Sausage busting open? 2 more minutes, we'll be ready. Little sweet baby Ray's, no sugar added over here. Just a couple. Oh, skin came right off that chicken. Sugar barbecue sauce don't even melt, bro. Ooh, the chicken leg fell apart. Ooh, probably still a little hot. Ooh. Saucy, juicy, crunchy, still. I can taste the meat church, the sweetness, the spice from that clucker dust. Woo! We'll save that one for later. Like, comment, subscribe. Fix world famous chicken in the cooler. Another great recipe. Chicken legs. Have a good Monday.